Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add Google Translate to WordPress. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click on plugins, and in plugins you want to click on add new, and in search plugins you want to write Google Translate, and you're gonna see it right here, Translate Press, okay, and this one here, this is what we are looking for. Let's activate it. Okay. And now just click on it. And so first, plugin state check this to activate. Choose the original language of your website, English, and let's say that we want to just Slovak. Okay, nice. Nice. You can just play around it. Pause. Okay, let's copy it, save changes. And now what we are going to do is that I will go to pages and all pages. I will open a site. And voila, here we got it. I will just delete this one here. Click plus, custom HTML and paste it. Update and preview. And voila, here we got it. So yeah, if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some feedback guidance. But yeah, this is how we do it. See ya and goodbye.